How to use drawing tools. Drawing tools are technical analysis instruments in the form of lines and geometric shapes. On Pocket Option, there are 9 types of drawing tools available: horizontal and vertical lines, ray, Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci fan, trend line, parallel channel, rectangle, and Andrews pitchfork. How to add a drawing tool to the chart. Select the tool from the Drawing Tools menu. The drawing will automatically appear on the chart. Customize the color and thickness, duplicate shapes, and save drawings for selected assets. To remove a drawing from the chart, go to the current tab in the Drawing section and click on the trash can icon or click Delete All. Drawings can also be removed directly from the chart. In the Drawing Settings menu, click on the trash can icon. Drawing tools can be used to analyze the chart, highlight trends, and identify entry points. Trade and earn with Pocket Option.